Now, y'all know it is fucking cold when you're in the car. I know y'all hear this shit on because my car ain't quiet no more. But anyway, this is crazy work. Like, 9 degrees? 9 degrees is wild.
Wow.
Blowing smoke too? Look, he blowing smoke too. He got to put the work gloves on. I got regular gloves. Oh my God. And I'm outside with a sweater and a fucking scarf like I'm
about to go get my picture.
Yo.
Fuck that.
This is crazy.
I'll be back.
Ooh. He really went to go get his goddamn coat. Listen. I pray for anybody that gotta be outside today. Anybody delivering. Shout outs to y'all. Do y'all thing. But yeah, nope. Not today.